Okay, very nice integral today. We've got minus 1 to the power of floor x plus the floor of x on square root 2 plus the floor of x on square root 3, integrated between 0 and 5. First step then, we'll separate this out into 3 different powers. Because it's minus 1 to the power of something, all of these are either going to be 1 or minus 1, depending on whether our exponents are even or odd. These will cycle through being even and odd. For the first one, depending on whether x is even or odd, and for here, whether it's between an even multiple or an odd multiple of root 2, and same idea here but with root 3. So what we can do is actually look at a number line and kind of mark on all the different points that we have. And now then, because they're all multiplied together, we're either multiplying like 1, 1 and 1 to get 1, or if there's a negative, then it'll be a negative number. But we alternate every time we go over one of these boundaries. So effectively, we have 1 here, then minus 1, then 1, then minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, all the way up until we get to the 5, so this minus 1 being the last one. So our function then, if we were to draw that, we have a similar looking number line, and we just kind of bounce between 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1, and minus 1. So now all we need to do is calculate like the different lengths, how long are all these lines, add these ones up, calculate these ones, add them all up, and then subtract the top from the bottom. The lengths of all these lines are found by the difference between each of the successive points on our number line. So our integral then becomes 1 minus 0, root 2 minus 1, root 3 minus root 2, 2 minus root 3, 2 root 2 minus 2, 3 minus 2 root 2, 2 root 3 minus 3, 4 minus 2 root 3, 3 root 2 minus 4, and 5 minus 3 root 2. With every other line being a subtraction, and all of these other lines being additions. So final step is to add up how many root 2s, how many root 3s, and how many integers we have. Ends up being 6 root 3s plus 8 root 2s, take away 21.